Applying for a library card. Librarian. Hi, can I help you? Patron. Yes, I'd like to apply for a library card. Librarian. Of course. Do you have your ID and proof of address with you? Patron. Yes, here they are. Librarian. Perfect. Just fill out this application form with your name, birth date, and address. Patron. Here you go. Librarian. Thank you. Here is your library card. You can now check out books, magazines, and newspapers. Patron. That's great. What about ESL classes? I heard the library offers those too. Librarian. Yes, we do. We have free ESL classes every Monday and Wednesday evening. You just need to sign up at the front desk. You can also access online resources to practice English at home. Patron. Wow, that's wonderful. Librarian. Please remember to return the items by their due dates. You can also renew them if you need more time. Patron. Okay, got it. Thank you so much for your help. Librarian. You're welcome.